All right, everybody. We are back, your low budget beta testers. So we're on 10.9. I've been through the UI update. Certainly some consternation there of what's good and what's bad about it. We certainly have mixed feelings. We're going to get us on autopilot here to our favorite grocery store, Lidl, see how we handle the turn, how we do on the on-ramp, just some basics here today. It's pretty cold outside, as you can see, 27 degrees in the midst of winter in Northern Virginia. A little bit colder than we'd like. We'd like it to be in the 40s, but that's life. So again, 10.9, everybody's seen it, all this good stuff. All these little icons you can move around, place them in your little dock. We have certainly mixed feelings about the things that matter to us most, like the heated seats, having to go into the air conditioning. Now this is different from before, cars being a little less assertive on this, but the light is green, so it took the good turn here. And off we go. So we do have a lot of sun today. We're interested in seeing if there's any phantom braking. We've seen some message traffic on the boards about phantom braking and mini braking, I guess, continuous accelerate and braking. So we'll see if we're plagued by that today. As everybody knows, everywhere you drive is different. So we are anxious to see how this goes. So far, so good.
Left turn lane this time.
Yep. So we took this route earlier this morning to go to the grocery store for real. And the car maintained the right-hand lane, the right-hand turn lane. As you can see, it's not accelerating up to the speed of the road that we're addressing or merging onto. So we tap that button, report that. Luckily, there's nobody behind us. And it's not too busy this morning because it's cold, as previously mentioned. And there we go. Off we go. So if you remember, this grocery store is that one with the complicated left turn where the road is a little bit wider with the median in the center that we're turning onto. So the car oftentimes darts for the sign that tells us to, hey, you need to nudge over a little bit right in order to make it. So we'll see how smooth it is today. Some of the more popular complaints, right? In order to turn on your windshield wipers, you can either hit the stock button, as I've pointed out, and then select it from here. You can push the car button and then head over to your windshield wipers. But it seems it's not as, I guess, intuitive as it used to be, so minor regression there. We did talk about heated seats earlier, and there's only a few ways to get to those now. Again, all require multi-tap process, whereas before it was right there on the lower bar. Easy to get to. Here's another point. A little bit smoother into the turn lane.
Whoa!
And
oh my goodness.
Not sure why it stopped. The light's green. Luckily nobody was behind us.
I just got choked by my seatbelt.
Yeah, that happens. It's better than getting choked by something else. late to merge over, but successful nonetheless. Now this is our turn coming up. Looks like we'll take it as a green, so it'll be an unprotected left. Let's see how it goes. Oh, look at that.
Oh my.
Oh, it's thinking.
Oh my.
It stopped. It didn't want to do it.
That
We'll cause that one.
was not good.
Yeah, we'll take that again. So that was the trip. We're gonna go and redo that little turnaround and try and come through that area again. Try and cross a multi-lane road here. So it's gonna have to recalculate. Ooh, this stop sign's really far back, so this will be interesting. Creeping for visibility.
Oh
Whoops.
shit.
Yep, failure there. Report that. We'll go back on autopilot. We'll give it a chance here. Nope, still wanted to go. So this is a continued fail. It just isn't, it just can't see enough. I think folks have pointed out that we need some better cameras. Oh, once it made it out with no traffic, that was good. So no issues there. Let's see if we hit this on a unprotected left again with oncoming traffic. Of course. This should be fun. This time it decided to stop. And here we go. No concerns about traffic. Taking the corner. Ah,
Oh, it did better with the island that
yeah,
time.
that was much better. Okay, so you can see there, that time it slowed for traffic. We'll go hit it one more time. This is a fun one today. We'll see if it can handle this.
The car's thinking, what's wrong with
4-lane.
you? Why do you torture me again and again?
All right, as soon as we pass this road. All right, here we'll try the 4-lane again.
Stopping back here.
Yeah, at the stop sign, creeping for visibility. Lots of cars here. I'm ready to stop. Wow, look at that. Much better this time. Don't know how to explain that.
It's hit or miss.
Definitely, that's how I would have proceeded through it. So here we go, unprotected left again. No oncoming traffic. So let's see how it does with this corner. Certainly slowed. Aha, there we go. So that time it was a little more aggressive in the turn and failed. So I wouldn't call that a great one. So what we'll do is we'll get out of here and we'll send it home. All right, we are back on. We're gonna try and let it get us home. Oh, once again, our favorite four-way or divided highway with 4 lanes here. I am eager to hit the brakes if the car starts to accelerate. Lots of traffic. No traffic coming right now. Wow, okay.
It got lucky, it found a brake in
Yeah,
both
it
directions.
found a brake. Now it needs to get immediately over into the...
Oh,
Yep, look at that.
oh, that's fast.
A little fast. We'll tag that, but it made it. Let's see what we're doing here. It needs to figure out that we're going straight and this lane turns. Tag it. Keep it a little late. So other than that one time being really unsafe, trying to head out into traffic, it's been okay.
Well, that last right turn made no sense. It had just turned left onto the road and it was going to turn right in a couple hundred feet. So why Why would you get up to 40 miles an hour and floor it? There's no reason.
Still interested, you can still do full screen. The persistence is a little better over the last couple of builds. Images stay on the screen longer even when they're hidden, almost anticipating the movement of the item. So let's say a vehicle goes behind a big truck, we've seen it still show up on the screen, whereas in previous it just would wipe it out because it couldn't see it, and then it would reappear on the other side. So I think they've been working on that model base, working the algorithms, anticipating where the item is, where the target is going to show up. So that's that. Wow, a little confused here. Not sure why. No blinker either. Green arrow shouldn't be an issue. There is a bunch of snow on the side here, so we'll see how it does. Thank goodness the snow is as far back as it was. I think it would have hit it. So again,
like these potholes.
Oh yeah, pothole avoidance is not a thing. So Elon said it was coming a year and a half ago. Like everything else, it will eventually get here, just not today. Previously, we've had flashing yellow concerns where the car would not go on a flashing yellow. I do not know if I will get a flashing yellow here first to test that out.
We'll get the green.
You think it'll be green?
We'll get the green.
Oh, all right, can't test that feature out, but it seemed to do work. All right, well that's it for us. Hope you all enjoyed it. We will make another one soon, so we can get your comments. Again, like and subscribe to keep up to date with all the builds and how it's doing in the Northern Virginia areas.